In a world that is constantly changing, you need to be at the cutting edge. Our Microsoft Excel 2016 Mastery course, presented by yourtrainingportal.com, will teach you everything you need to know to wow potential or current employers. When you sign up today, we'll send you a free weekly training video to teach you tips and shortcuts to make every day with Excel easier. My name is Joshua Steffen. I've been teaching about Excel for 10 years. I once was frustrated working with people who didn't know how to use Excel. This would take time, and teaching basic concepts cost my employers thousands in productivity. This is what inspired me to create these courses. Our classes are specifically designed to be cost effective and flexible for all schedules. All of the courses are video based. You can watch them as many times as you like and pause and play as you like, allowing you to test out new concepts and skip ones that you don't need. As always, we have a 100% refund guarantee. For the first 60 days, if you're unhappy for any reason, just send us an email and we'll process the refund. Click here to sign up for your free weekly tips and shortcuts and to try out our library of courses.